emotional. Halo-halo. We're so happy. We're very excited. Lahat-lahat na pagod, walang tulog, but then it was all worth it. To see everybody here, all our friends, our loved ones, our parents. Just very happy that they were able to be part of this memorable event for us.
Okay, ang daming nakapansin na simple tsaka napaka-personalized ng bawat event. Oo. Talagang mas pinili nyo bang maging personal and simple?
Yes, kasi we wanted to show talaga what we feel, and that's how we feel about each other.
Ano lang yung nararamdaman namin, yun lang nakasulat.
Oo.
Bakit yung naisipan pala sa UP? Marami bang memorable experiences here? Mahilig kayo mag-fishball kasi dito, mahilig kayo maglakad, may painting ako. Tsaka may painting ako ng church.
Ayun.
Yung bata siya.
Okay.
Nung college.
So, Shamsi, Lloyd, laging tanong, saan ang honeymoon? Ilang baby ba? Ganon.
Sa Holy Week pa siguro kami mag-honeymoon.
Oh, why?
Europe.
Oh, why sa Holy Week
Or
pa?
winter. Kasi winter
Kasi
ngayon
winter sa January, so
Okay.
We'll postpone it for
perfect timing.
Okay, may wish na ba tayo kung boy or girl ang una nating baby?
tagal pa, pero we wanted a girl.
Girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung special request ni Mommy Mars pala, sabi niya gusto daw niya ng apo agad. Ay, reaction? It can wait. It can wait. We'll see. We don't know eh. We can't say.
Okay. Shamsi, Lloyd, Shamsi, tuloy pa rin ba ang showbiz natin?
Of course, work. After the wedding, we have work agad.
Okay. Lloyd, okay lang ba sa'yo mag-showbiz pa si Shamsi?
Kung saan siya masaya.
Wow.
Okay. Okay.
Baka may kang words pa for your loving wife. Huwag na baka maiyak.
Oo, mas marami kang iyak.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Oo, kasi parang ngayon lang lumabas lahat ang emotions niya. Na-miss daw niya ako. Hindi kami nagkita today.
Mahal, forever na tayo!
Oh. Okay na.
Kanina, love at first sight. Ay, kanina you were explaining love at first sight. Pero talagang first boyfriend naman tong si Yeah. Is that the same thing also, Joy? No. Pero ako yung last, so
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So, thank
Okay na.
you.
Thank you.
See you guys at the
Salamat.